Hello everyone, let us evaluate this simple problem together. We are given that if x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5, then we are asked to evaluate x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the power of 3 plus 4x to the power of 2. How should we tackle this problem? Are we to substitute the value of x directly? Wherever we have x, replace it with 1 minus square root of 5? No. You can see we have higher degrees, 4, 3, and 2. Instead, let us factorize this completely. All right, you can see that we have a common factor of x squared. So bring that x squared outside. X squared. Then inside, every single term should be divided by x squared. X to the power of 4 divided by x squared will give us x squared minus 4x cubed divided by x squared is just x, then plus 4x squared divided by x squared is just 1. This is a perfect squared quadratic expression. Why? Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2, and that negative 2 squared will give us 4, which implies that this is a perfect squared. And it can be factorized as you take x, you subtract, if you have minus, if it is plus, you use plus, then half of 4 is 2. Everything squared. We are not done yet. Observe, this has a power of 2. This also has a power of 2. According to one of the laws of indices, we can multiply the bases and assign a single exponent. So this is the same thing as x multiplied by x minus 2. Write everything to the power of 2. Remember, they are sharing power of 2 in common. So from here, we can substitute. The value of x is 1 minus the square root of 5. So this is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5 for this particular x. Then inside the other bracket, we have 1 minus the square root of 5 for this x, but we still have minus 2. Don't forget everything to the power of 2. This is 1 minus 2, which is what? Negative 1. So I would like to start with this one. We have negative 1 minus the square root of 5. You know multiplication is commutative, so interchanging the terms wouldn't change anything. And this is 1 minus the square root of 5. Remember, everything to the power of 2. If you pay close attention, we can factor out negative 1 from this term. If you bring out negative 1, then this becomes positive. This becomes positive as well, right? Everything still to the power of 2. All right. This is nothing but difference of 2 squares. This is plus, this is minus. Remember, power of 2 will change this to plus, so we don't even care about this negative sign. Because eventually, this is going to be to the power of 2, this to the power of 2, this to the power of 2. And negative 1 to the power of 2 is positive 1. And 1 times anything will still be that thing. So just pay attention to these two factors. Because this is difference of 2 squares, we can write this as the first term squared minus the second term squared. But remember, we still have this power of 2 outside. 1 squared is 1. Square root of 5 squared will give us 5 to the power of 2. 1 minus 5 is negative 4 to the power of 2. This is equal to 16. Yeah, which implies that the whole of this expression is equal to 16, provided x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 5. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.